What's up everybody? Welcome back to Eye Candy. In this week's video, we're going to be working on a 1978 Mg MGB Roadster. So let's just dive right into that repair. So jumping into the repair on this MG, the passenger door and fender got hit pretty good. Unfortunately, the intrusion beam on the door was compromised. And so I'm not going to repair these, I'm just gonna replace them. I was able to find a door that came from Heritage British that I bought from rimmerbrothers.com, which is a company out of the UK. I also got the stripes and the trim from Moss Motors out of the USA, and everything came in pretty quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into tearing this car down and see if I end up needing anything else. And then we're just gonna do a spray out card, get things going, fit the parts, make sure they fit, and then just keep charging forward. So let's go ahead and jump into this repair. All right, so I got the fender and doors fitting as good as they're going to anyways. I spent a lot of time trying to get that door to fit, plus the fender. Neither one fit perfect, but they're as close as I possibly can get them to fit. They didn't fit perfect when the car came in. There was lots of fitment issues. This car's been worked on in the past, so I'm kind of just working with what I can without really digging into past body work and repairing all of that. So anyways, I gotta pull these fender off and the door, and I'm gonna get them fixed. There was some deep grinder marks and some other damage from shipping. I'm probably just gonna sand the whole thing down on both panels and just end up getting them in primer so that I know that the paint's not gonna shrink back into these scratches later. So let's just get that knocked out, get this car going. So guys, on this replacement door, there wasn't actually holes for the trim, and so I wanted to get those marked out and drilled before I painted. That way it's all ready to go. I'm not scratching fresh paint or cracking it or anything like that. I don't think it had to be like exactly on the money where it was before, but I went ahead and measured at the beginning and end of each hole and like for length, and then I did it off of the body line going down and basically made little boxes, and then took a straight edge and went you know, corner to corner to make an X so I get the exact middle of the hole. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and center punch that out, each hole, and I'm gonna go ahead and drill those as well. So yeah, just figured I'd share that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. But until next time, we'll catch you later.